Hi, and welcome to Positivity-Tea with Marianne. It's spring. I can't believe it. It's spring. Today's the first day of spring, and I have dug out some spring things to get my mind in that mindset. We've never needed or looked forward to spring, probably more than this year. Going through a winter of COVID, a year of COVID, and even though in the Northeast where I live, it's probably still going to snow, it's spring. So I got out some pink. I don't wear a lot of pink. I got out a flower. I've got some bracelets. I dug out everything. Got some pink earrings. I guess spring means pink to me. Got this pretty scarf. I didn't want to wear everything. And I've got a pink and green mug with green tea. So to me, it's all about looking for signs of spring, not only soon in my yard, but now in my life, some things that make you feel like you're growing anew. Looking at the things that can possibly happen that are good, that are coming up in the next day, weeks, months, if you look for them. And like always, you tend to find what you look for. If you're focusing on why everything is wrong in the world, you're going to notice that there's a lot wrong in the world. I used to say in my seminars not to watch the news because it's the list of the 10 worst things that happened yesterday. And if anything, that's gotten much worse. If you want to notice more positivity in the world, start seeking out deliberately things that make you happy, like we talked about, I believe, in my last one. So the search for things. Now, I have a pink dress on, but I'm barefoot, so I'm not ready to step out in the world yet in this because I need a few more layers. It's still chilly in New England, so I'm not going to go out with what I'm wearing right now, but it makes me happy. I went on and I bought some covers for my pillows, which I've never done before this year. I did it for Christmas, and they're cheap. I think they're like $14 for 4 of them. I don't know. And I have 3 of them on my couch, and I've got one on my bed because they're pretty, and they make me remember that spring is coming. Now, we've got something coming up for you very soon, and it all has to do with starting to declutter, to spring clean, if you will, the negativity that's in the brain. So I just want to let you know that's coming. So if you've got some negativity piled up, you probably all do, let's start cleaning out. Let's start today by finding spring, whatever that means to you. For me, obviously you see what I did with this, and I'm going to go outside because it seems nice out. I'm going to go probably test an egg because today is the, let's see, it's the spring equinox. That point where the earth is in this rotation. It's not summer, not winter, it's halfway. And you can take an egg and it'll stand up. I should go get an egg, but last time I went to get an egg, it ended up on the floor, which makes my mother happy. This sounds weird, but she's always happy to know that I do klutzy things because she feels that it's her because of her age. I said, Mom, don't you worry about a thing. I drop enough stuff for 12 people. In fact, I used to tell my classes sometimes, you know what? I should put everything on the floor because that's where it's going to end up anyway. Anyway, so enough about that. My students would have loved an outfit like this because they used to challenge me, can you not wear black? Okay, so think spring, think decluttering, and that in itself is a good strategy. If you could clean out one little area of something, if you have time, if you feel like it, it kind of gives you a little more control over the things we don't have control of right now. So let me keep this short, 4 minutes, a little over 4 minutes is plenty. So enjoy spring. Go find something that makes you spring happy and start thinking about decluttering the negativity. Definitely more on that next time. See you later. Bye.